Good evening, everyone. This is me, Mohit Mina, and I'll be going to draw a Geneva wheel four slot mechanism. So first of all, I'll be draw a base on start with a Geneva wheel. Okay. First of all, start with a I'll make a circle. Okay. Mm, I make a circle. I take the dimension of 6 inch. I'll fix. I'll try a construction line from the center to its height. It's a vertical length. Okay, I'll cut the additional line. Okay, and now I make a circle for to design a slot. Actually, okay. Hmm. Okay, and now I'll make another side with the help of mirror image. I'll select it, mirror about this line, so it will draw automatically. Now I select the smart dimension and give the dimension to each and every point. First of all, I fix this radius, slot radius, which is nearly 0. Wait, I check. I have to check the dimension actually. Already fixed the dimension. Dimensions are very important actually. So the radius of this slot is 0.19 inch. So I fix it. Okay, 0.19 inch. Now, sorry, because I write the inch, which is I don't need to be write this inch. I just select. I have to write. I already select the measurement system, so I don't need to be write again it actually. Now, uh, I have to one more thing which I have to fix the center distance of the slot from the center distance of the Geneva wheel, which is nearly 1.94 inch. Okay, okay. Now I have to do one thing only. I have to do only one thing. This is trim entities who have extra identities. I have to delete. Look. Now I just copy it in the circular sketch pattern. So I select a circular sketch circular sketch pattern. Here, first I select the whatever I have to select in the circular measurement. I want what I want. So I select this and this arc. Okay. Now it is 4. 4 is represent how much I have in the how much I need the entities in the circular pattern. So I need 4 actually for the fourth slot wheel. I can change it. I can make it 6 slot crank mechanism or another slot mechanism. So let select anyone. So let me select 6. Okay. Okay, I'll select the 6 now. Okay. Now I have to Okay, let me construct a center line, one more center line from the center to horizontal distance, which is actually it is important. It horizontal is need required to for make a make a curve on the Geneva wheel. I'll select a ten. I'll select tangent. This one. Oh, first. Oh, sorry. I have to select the center tangent, center arc. So I select the first. I select the center. Now I'll select. Now I select the first point in the circle. First point of the circle on the Geneva wheel, and select the second the second point on the Geneva wheel. Very simple. Now I have to fix the point. Uh, Actually, I need to fix it distance. So I take the dimension from the center of the Geneva wheel to center of the arc. The distance is I'll take the distance of 4.25. Actually, I have already fixed the calculations, so I have select the all the. I'll already did the calculations in roughly. So I take the dimension according that you may calculate and you can do your calculation. So I have to do in the also this is in a circular pattern. So I select one again circular pattern. Let me select the circular pattern and select the entity and select the I need the sixth time actually for the sixth slot wheel to increase it. Now it is six slot wheel. Just now just one more thing. I'll trim the entities. Let me zoom it. Actually, it is easy to zoom. Okay, now. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Back, back, back. Trim the entities. Oh, one more. Trim the entities. Actually, what happened? I'll select the another useful entities to trim. You do the trim entities very carefully. You zoom it and select it. Select it. Uh, Wait. Okay, one some small changes I did actually. I feel there is a. I feel there is a. Actually, first of all, I feel there is a slot diameter is somewhat small, so I changed it 0.9192 to 0.38, and I fix all the dimension of the curve like its radius is 1.17 and now its curve arc length is with 2.21. So at the time of lock wheel I'll be make the curve of 2.2 wheel 2.21, sorry. So now I'll make the trim entities. Actually that time trim entities may feel somewhat difficult, so I change the dimensions. Okay, now I'll it will okay. Okay, 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 okay. Hmm. Okay, 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 okay. Now it is complete the changes. So just one more remaining thing. Oh, sorry, sorry. I forgot this, 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 and okay. Now it is okay, right? Okay. I have to make one circle for the inside the for insert in the base. So I make a circle, select a circle, select a circle, Select type of the circle, select the point of the circle. Hmm. Okay, I can give the dimension by the smart dimensioning. Selected. I give it any. I can select any diameter. I can select 0.75 inches. Okay, these dimensions are free. Actually, I can change in the base dimension. Whatever I uh, make the pin in the base, I'll be make the same dimensions of the select this diameter. So I now I'll do the base extrude. Select this one directly. Change it thickness 0.3. It is enough, I think. Okay, now I'll make. Oh shit! Actually, I forget to deselect the circle. So it select all the circle. 0.3. Select it. Just do one thing. Nice. Only select it. Hmm. Now, now, now the Geneva wheel is ready. Now I have to draw the. I have to make the locked wheel. Okay. So I will select new geometry part geometry. Select. Okay. Now select the circle. Now make a circle. Select a sketch. Front plane. Make a circle of 3.54. Now I'll draw the locked wheel. So make first of all I made a circle of. Now the dimensioning is important actually. Now I have to make the circle same dimension whatever I have the curve dimension on the Geneva wheel. So I select this one, make a smart dimension. Curve radius was 1.7, so I have to select the same radius, and so I have to select the diameter 1.7 multiplied to 3.54, right? So I select the 3.54, its diameter. So it is my drive wheel diameter. Now I have to make the now I have to make it curve in this of a 2.21, whatever 2.21. Sorry. Oh, so now I make a curve in this. In my Geneva wheel, the curve arc length was 2.21. So I have to make a same arc same length. So I'll select a horizontal line. Actually, I can make a center line. Make a center line. This one horizontal. Simply now I have to make an arc of 2.21. Okay. Once I have to check the coin. That time coincident point was mistake. Now I select a line again. Select the center line. Select the point of the coincident of the circle same. So I select. Okay, I make a horizontal line and I mark a 4.25 dimensions. 4.25, 4.25 inch, and make an arc from this center arc. Remember everything. Make a center arc. Select the first point in the arc length. Select the first point in the locked circle, and select the second point in the circle, and Now make the arc, measure the arc length. So select easy the just select the arc and select the both the point of the arc. So it is showing 2.17. I have to do the 2.21. Whatever I have the arc length in the Geneva wheel, same the arc length I have to the make the in a lock wheel. So it's 2.21. Now I have to make a one extrude ways. One thing last, just do one thing, extrude ways. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to make an extrude cut. So I have to do the extrude cut actually. I forgot to select the circle for the inserting in the base actually. So I select circle, select just coincident point, make a circle, do the smart dimensioning and select it. Same dimensioning. Sorry, same dimensioning. Same dimensioning of 0.75 inches. Let me select and do the extrude cut through all the surface. Select extrude cut in the from the feature, extrude cut and select it through the all. Sorry, through all, through the all both. Okay, it's okay. Select circle, just simple and do this. Okay, complete this one. So my lock wheel is also complete. Now I have to make the crank. So select new file, open it, new part. Just draw it. Now I have to select crank. So go into the sketch, make it two circles. Select the front plane. Okay, there is no problem. What about the initial point? This coincidence is important. Okay, in the same, do the smart dimensioning. In the crankshaft, one shaft, and the diameter of the crankshaft of the outer diameter of the from the bigger side is B. I'll do the smart dimensioning. It is make I'll make a 0.75. I'll make the 1.5. 1.5 and do the smart dimensioning of this. Sorry, I did one mistake. Actually, I have to change. I forgot to change the this measurement in. Actually, now the measurement is in MGS. Sorry, MMGS. Or I made the all the designs in the IPS. So I have to make the select the measurement system in the IPS for this also. So let me select it. Okay, back. Just simple make it IPS. Go into the sketch, edit sketch. Now do the cancel it and make it 1.1.5, right? Okay, now it is 1.5. Actually, initially I was changed na. That was happen. Now do the again smart dimensioning of this. Wait. Okay, do the smart dimensioning of another. Actually, just select this. Just do this and make it 0.75. 0. Sorry, 0.75. Now select another two circles, make it 0.75, 0.75. Do this 0.38, 0.38, and actually from the starting tab measurement mistake that was happening. So fix it. First of all, just select the smart dimensioning and select the circle and move it. Okay. Now I have to smart dimension from the center of the this circle to center. The distance will be between them is the distance between them is wait, I have to check. 2.2, 2.2. Dimensioning is very important actually. Okay, 2.2 inches. Now I have to draw a tangent on it. Make it tangent on it. Make a tangent on it. Don't need to draw. Don't need to draw again. It just again just make a center line and do the mirror image. Select it. Select it. You see, make it mirror image. This entity, this image, mirror about this center line. Go ahead and make it. So now I have to the trim entities of inside this one, and this one. So our crank is ready. Just need to feature an extrude base. Make it 0.3 with 0.3. Okay. Okay. Now the crank is ready. Now I'll make the base. Oh sorry. Select new part base. This will be our second as design. Actually, I have to make a one pin. So base is very simple. Just select this one, select this, make it, select the center point, select end dimension, select this one, and do the smart dimensioning. Only this thing is important. Select the smart dimension. Now the their distance between them is important according the distance whatever we take the center of the distance between the center of the crank center of the lock wheel or drive wheel to the center of the geneva wheel. So that was addition of that was 4.25. So select it is make I'll make it 4.25. Again I am doing the mistake. It actually I have to select it in inches. I have to make it in inches first of all. Make sketch, add it, and make it 4.25 inch. 4.25 inch. Okay. So now I'll do the extrude base, and I make a pinch. Don't need to be make a pins and another design. Just simply make the pins in the attach with that. Actually, it is simple. So make first of all, I can do one thing. Sorry, just normal view. Okay, and select draw a construction line for the makers and circles. Okay, select this first of all. Select the this is our center line, our construction line. Now I'll make the circle on it. Circle on it. Two circle on it. And they are now their dimension is already constructed. Actually, whatever I make the holes in a Geneva wheel and the drive shaft, so their diameter should be equal. So in the Geneva wheel and the drive shaft, I make the 0.0 point crankshaft. Sorry, and crankshaft and lock shaft also I make the 0.75 inches. So I'll do the smart dimensioning of both 0.75 0.75 inches, and do this. Okay. 0.75 inches equally. Okay, now move the circle 0.75 inches. Now do the extrude base. Extrude base of this outside. Make it long. I can do any just for. Okay, it is enough. I think 0.3 inches. I will take the width of every component actually. Like geneva wheel 0.3 width, 0.3 inches, 0.3 inches of the drive shaft. So it will be okay. Now I'll make one more uh, part, which is pin. So the diameter of the pin was according the crankshaft diameter. I make a I make a their spacing in the crankshaft is 0.3 actually. So I have to the make sorry select the circle and make it uh, again. I have to first of I change to IPS inch. Go into the editor sketch again and do the smart dimensioning of this. Make it 0.2 0.38 inches. 0.38 inches. Now do the feature of extrude base. I'll take 0.3. Actually, the crankshaft will be attached the below the below the drive lock shaft. So their width was 0.3 inches. So it should be more than 0.3. So I'll take it or the also not only 0.3 is more than 0.6. Actually, take the I'll take the bit of thickness of the lock shaft and the thickness of the crank 0.3 0.3. So it should be about more than 0.6. So I take it 0.8 inches. It is enough. Okay. Now just save every component. Just save every component there. Okay. So save every component. I'm doing the save every component. Now I save now I save the every component. Now I'll make a assembly and assemble all the component each by each one. So first of all select a base. Okay, and insert the component of lock shaft uh, crank actually. So just select it, do the mate. Okay, this one select this and select this. It will automatically meet. And to the second thing, I can move it vertical dimensions, this two and this. Okay, now it is set. Okay, now insert another component. This okay, another component. I'll use lock shaft and also select geneva wheel. First I select, I'll insert all the component now and then I'll assemble. Okay, okay. So now I have to make every component. I have to insert the pin in the crank. So I select the sorry, it is taking some time. Wait, actually my sorry, actually I did a mistake. This is the pin actually. Select pin, select the inside diameter of the pin and spin. Okay, and okay, select the surface of this. Okay, now it is okay. And select the, oh sorry, I did one mistake actually. I have to select, actually I forget to thickness, make the thickness of this drive shaft, so I'll change it. I'll update in the design. Was extrude, I'll be edit it. That time I was did not take the thickness of 0.3, forget it. Now reveal it and save it. Just don't need to do anything. Just then you, when you save here, your assembly will automatically update the thickness. So now the thickness is okay. Now select the mate again and do this. Okay, concentric. Now select the mate of this upper surface, this surface. Both have the same. Now, okay, I can move directly manually. And okay, now I will be insert the geneva wheel also into the, sorry, select the, select the inner surface of the geneva wheel of this and select this one, this surface. Okay, now just make it at the same level. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, sorry, wait, what is going on, man? What do check their motion actually, it may be some mistake. I think that length was somewhat smaller than I have to change. Let me check. Wait. Now I'll take that motion. The motion. Wait. I have to check this motion. Before that, I have to. Okay, every part is inserted. Nice. Shit. I have to increase the length of this crankshaft actually. Somewhat increase. So I'll go into the here. Make edit sketch. I have to go in the edit sketch first of all, not in the base. Edit sketch and increase it somewhat, 2.2, so 2 point, sorry, 2.42 or 2.32, it's enough I think. 2.32, okay. Now I have to update the geometry, reveal this document. Okay, this you have to update it. Okay, now it's okay. And the assembly it will automatically update. Yes. Okay, now it's okay. Now I have to fix this motion with that lock shaft to this. Select it, control, plus it, and mate to the mate. Now the motion is, sorry. Okay, I did one thing. I locked I locked the profile of the this this lock shaft to crank. Now they will rotate together. Now I'll be I'll check the, now the my, actually my geometry is complete actually. Now I just check the, I have to check its motion. I have to study its motion. So okay, wait. Now it's rotating actually individually, so I have to do make a relation. So I'll make a contact. Now I fix this contact. Wait. Okay. Now this to this, just contact. Now it will rotate with. Okay, sorry. Wait. I have to make the relation actually for that motion study. So going back, going back, going back, and fix the motion. Okay, now this is okay. Okay, right. Now the contact between them. Select this contact. Okay, this tool will choose the require the choose basic motion analysis. You can choose type of study with the control. Okay. Okay, wait. I have to select it. I have to fix the motion in. I'll select the motor again. Do is this. Hmm. Lock, lock, pin. Quickly make the assembly in place of this geneva wheel. Okay. And phase one was okay. Okay, now I have analyzed it. Oh, sorry, sorry. Check motion. I did the contact. Make the relations actually. I forget how to make the relations. Give me some time. No, no. Need. Okay, give me some time. Actually, I have to check and I'll update the